In this video, I'm just going to show you how to make quick shortcuts to any registry location that you would like. First, I actually have a shortcut already in here. If you'll click on the registry menu, see I have regedit and then add edit shortcuts, and then I have an actual shortcut, open optical drive filters. So when you click on that, it takes you to the optical drive filter section where you can remove upper and lower filters if they exist, if you're having trouble with your optical drives. Well, essentially, all you need to do is find a location in regedit that you want to save. We'll just save Microsoft, Windows, current version, run. So if you want this key saved, just right click on it and copy key name. And with that key name copied, you can go to the registry menu, do add edit shortcuts. Now here you'll see the list of shortcuts that you have defined. Just click add reg entry, paste in a reg location here. So all we have to do is paste in the location that we copied from regedit and click OK. Now give it a name, and you should see it appear here. Save and close. Now when you go to your menu, you should have an entry for the run key, and clicking it will take you directly to the run section. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.